Today, I'm going to share something really fun. A Baileys Irish Cream Mousse for dessert. So it's kind of only fitting that I'm doing it down in front of our bar. Anyway, hi, I am Linda from A Labor of Life, coming to you from Ottawa, Canada. And I'm sharing a fun little dessert that I made a few weeks ago when we had friends over for dinner. So let's get started, shall we? We're gonna need sugar, eggs, cream, gelatin, vanilla, and Baileys. Let's get started. Just showing you really quickly what the end result looks like. You can actually put this dessert in any container you want, but it seemed kind of fitting to put it in an Irish coffee mug. 4 egg yolks. Separate those out. We're gonna do all this in one little small pan. So we're gonna put the 4 egg yolks, 1/4 cup of sugar. Spread that in. Add a 1/4 cup of whipping cream. We're going to use the inside of a vanilla bean. Be very careful, don't cut your fingers. I do this a lot. I wish there was an easier way to do it. If you don't have vanilla beans, you can just use vanilla. So we're going to whip over medium heat just until it starts to thicken. And in the meantime, let's take 2 tablespoons of cold water, small bowl, 1.5 teaspoons of gelatin, sprinkle it over the top, and we're going to set that aside. Let's get our Baileys ready. I am using the mint vanilla shake specialty Baileys that came out last year. Right, once your egg mixture is all cooked, we're going to add the gelatin, whisk it in a little bit, and then whisk the Baileys in. Now we've let our egg mixture cool before we've added the gelatin and the Baileys, FYI. In the meantime, we're going to prep our whipped cream. 1.5 cups, 1.25 cups, sorry. Put that in the fridge. After that is chilled, we're going to gently fold the egg mixture, or Baileys mixture, into our whipped cream. Make sure you get it all. We're just going to gently fold until there's no white streaks remaining. It's going to seem a little liquidy at this point, but that's okay. The gelatin's going to do its magic, so it can actually scoop or pour it into your container. We're going to refrigerate for a minimum of 2 hours, up to 24 hours. It's going to solidify. Trust me, I thought this was way too liquidy. I was in a panic because it's been so long since I made this, but it turned out perfectly. Quick and easy, perfect dessert for St. Patty's Day. A little bit of whipped cream on top, maybe a chocolate-covered coffee bean. You're set to go. I'm Linda from A Labor of Life. If you like this, double tap, thumbs up. Thanks for watching.